talking about making a title in Premiere. Now, one of the things that's really cool about Adobe Premiere Pro is that it has a basic little title program. Now, this is not going to work if you want to do a big movie or you want to make it look really elaborate. You're going to want to use After Effects, and you're going to want to learn Photoshop and really incorporate some other things. You just go over to your left-hand side, and you click on the little window at the bottom of your projects. Make sure you're on the effects bar. We pull up your title designer. You click on the left-hand bar, you pull it up. Now you go to the top and you can move around your images. At the bottom, you click through, see what you like. See, you know, it doesn't have a whole huge selection, but you're able to get at least some basic differences, some basic fonts, so that way it'll fit to the mood and the context of your show that you want to do. For this particular situation, we're going to use something like this, something very simple. And what we're going to do now is you go up to the top, and if you want to create different type of they have lots of different tools here. I'm not going to have time to go through them just because of our limitation. There's a ton of little tools. You can slant it, you can twist it, you can throw it around and down and all that kind of stuff. So it's really good. Now what you want to do is you can go on the right side and you can save it. So let's just save the file. I just usually click out of the file and it asks me to save automatically. That way I don't forget to save it. Now the project box, it pops up. So just go over there, drop it, drag it down to the tile where you want it. Now let's play it back. Let's see what it looks like. It's very basic. There you go. You've got a title over a background image, and it just gives you a nice little professional title. Very easy.